Subscribe now.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and welcome to another one of our tutorials. Today it's going to be a very simple one and a short one, but extremely interesting and extremely useful, especially if you have bought a token on pre-sale, on a fair launch, and you want to see that token that you have bought in your Trust wallet. How do we do that? Well, obviously, first of all, you need to have the Trust wallet itself, so you can download it at the Apple Store or Google Play, depending on whether you have an iPhone or an Android device. And then, of course, you set up your wallet, and this is what you see, minus the $11.76 that I have in mine, obviously. But that's the user interface, your dashboard. You can see the total funds you have, the four main operations that you can do: send, receive, buy, and swap, and a list of tokens, and as well a list of NFTs if you have any. Now, let's say that you want to add to that list of tokens because you have bought some Doge, for example, on an exchange, or one of your friends sent you some Doge. How do you see that? Well, it's very easy. As you can see, if you scroll down to the bottom, you see Add Tokens. So click on that. And now you can see all the ones that I have toggled on that show on my dashboard, and a list of tokens that or coins that are already there. And so, for example, if I want to go and search on Doge, I can see Dogecoin or Doge. Click on yes or toggle that on, click on done, and now I can see my Doge. And if you want to see more or send or receive, you can click on that, and there's another sub menu opening up. But what if the token is a new one? Again, for example, you went to Gempad and you purchased some tokens on pre-sale, and now you want to add it. Well, very easy as well. So let's go back to Add Tokens. Now it's not on that list because it's a brand new one. But if we go to the top left side, you see a plus sign. Now click on the plus. And now we just need to know two things: the network or blockchain and the contract address. Both details will be given to you by the project owner, or you can find on the Launchpad itself. So for example, in my case, I want to add GEMS tokens. I know that the network is BSC, Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to click on that on Ethereum because I want to change that. See, I want to click on BNB Smart Chain. And then the contract address, I have already saved it and copied it. So I just want to paste it. And of course, now you see that Trust Wallet has connected to the BNB Smart Chain and has detected that smart contract to be the one for Gempad or the GEMS token. Now, if that's the one that you wanted to add, just click on Save. Now you can see your GEMS token there. You can send or receive them, but just go back, click on Done. Nice refresh, and you will see at the bottom here now I have GEMS token or Gempad token. Use the same way, the same method for any new tokens on any blockchain that is included here in Trust Wallet, whether it's Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Doge Chain, Phantom, Avalanche, and so forth. Very easy, but very useful thing to know. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe to the channel, like the video. And if you want to know more about Trust Wallet, if there are any features that you want explained, please let me know in the comments below and I'll prepare a tutorial for that. Thank you so much. See you at the next video. Bye now.